Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And turns out Uncle Warren disclosed a big stake, several, I think like 5 million shares, but it might be 6, it might be 60. I don't know. A new position in Lennar. He also reported same kind of thing in Nucor. And you can see what happened here. You can see what happened with Lennar. Same kind of deal. Now, the cool thing for us with Lennar is I'd been waiting for this thing to push above the 50-day moving average just because it's kind of, it's always subject to an exception, but it's kind of a line of demarcation to me that I really don't want to be in stocks that are below their 200-day moving average. Now, the thing about Lennar is if you look at like the home building index, okay, this has been above the 50 for a while. XHB above it as well. There are several others that were above it. We put these on our active trade list a while ago, so we have really nice profits in these. But yesterday, when this thing popped above there, that's when I pulled the trigger on this and said, all right, let's go buy some stock on this. And so it's nice for Uncle Warren to help us out here. What I think you want to be doing, if you want to listen to me, if you don't, it's really okay too, is just hang on to this. There's gonna be some ebbs and flows here. For example, this looks really, really clear, right? Well, if you look at what happened at the open this morning, okay, it closed here a little above 130. It gapped down about almost 3%, which doesn't seem like a lot. 2 or 3% down gap is not a big deal. But for a lot of traders, if you're trading a stock that's just starting to break out and you're not really quite sure, a gap down like that can really shake you out. It can make you nervous. It can make you go like, oh crap, I jumped the gun. You sell the stock and then the stock goes up without you. So what I would suggest doing is just look at the weekly chart. Like the only way this would be prettier is if I'd gotten in here or right when the 10-week or 50-day moving average started to turn higher. But you can look at this and see, this is a real important thing. You can see this squeeze here, the really tight Bollinger Bands here, much tighter than anywhere up here, even tighter than this here, though, when the stock moved lower. Now, this is squeezing out to the upside. So this is where I really think you can be making some money if you just kind of stick with this. And by the way, real quick, if you are not a member of Stock Market Mentor, look, you're paying $7 for 14 days. If you can't figure out after 2 weeks whether this is for you, guess what? I'm Karen, my PA's she's gonna be pissed at me. If you don't like it after 2 weeks, let me know. I'll refund your $7. The bottom line is I want you in. I want you making money. That's what we're all about. And so I will see you there. All right. Hey, $7.